Ready for the next secret? Whee! Oh boy, wow, this is really fire in the hole. Oh boy. Okay. Come on. There you go. Okay. Umbrella is really good. Now, if I die, I'm gonna be so mad. What up? We need a light. Any light. It does not matter. Even you can use the red one. The red one ain't special anymore. Yeah. I would recommend probably use this. We're gonna need it. Trust me. Oh my god, now my umbrella's glitched. My god, this is so annoying. Oh boy. Okay, we're gonna go. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to go up there. Like, seriously. You don't want to go up there, and if you don't go up there, then you'll die. Does that sound? Okay, so it's easy. It's kind of easy with a grappler, and at the same time, it's not easy. I'm so glad that was there. If I was never there, I probably would have died. Oh my gosh, it's just so annoying with an umbrella, because umbrellas just make you fly, and it kind of sucks. Gotta be honest. I just took somebody's umbrella and got it. I mean, I have it unlocked, but I don't have enough. So when you're bored, just do that. I don't know how I made it up here when I'm supposed to make it as a secret. That's so dumb. I'm supposed to make it as a secret. Alright. I don't need that. Whatever. Where is it? Secret? Oh, there's a secret. I'm not dying. I am not dying. Hit the land right there. There we go. Alright. Oh, shoot. No! Oh, man, I can't get that back. Shoot. Please don't fling me. Yeah. I hate it in here, though. It's pretty scary. Except not anymore. When you see light. So this is the promo code. You have time to take pictures of it right now. Yeah, you can get it light. Alright. Take a picture of it. Bro, it is so laggy in here. Nah, I'm turning on my headset. Nah, I'm leaving the game.